Year of the Rabbit. Make a banner. If you don't like to sew, you can use craft glue or a glue gun instead. Materials: felt sheets in gold, white, black, and red. One in each of the 4 colors, plus 1 thicker white sheet. Straight pins, needle and embroidery thread in gold, white, black, and red. Scissors, 12-inch strip of red fringe, 12-inch length of twine, and a 12-inch dowel. Download the pattern at the link on this slide or in the description box below. Cut out the pieces. Use the pattern sheets to cut out the felt pieces. It will be helpful to pin the patterns to the felt with straight pins, then cut around the outlines. Prepare the banner. The thick white felt sheet will be the banner surface. 1. Fold over the top about 1 inch. 2. Cut off the corners along the dotted lines. 3. Sew down the edge of the fold to make a sleeve. Use white thread to sew along the dotted line. 4. The dowel will slide through the sleeve. This is the back of the banner. 5. Sew the fringe to the front of the banner. You can remove the dowel for now. The fringe should slightly overlap the bottom of the banner as shown. Secure in place with straight pins, then sew along the edge using red thread. Sew on the pieces. 1. Position the pieces as shown, then secure in place with straight pins. 2. Sew on the gold shape using gold thread. Use small close stitches around the edge. 3. Sew on the numbers using black thread. 4. Position the big heart, rabbit body, and rabbit legs as shown, then secure in place with straight pins. 5. Sew down the pieces with red thread. You'll be sewing through 2 layers, the gold shape and the banner surface. It will give the rabbit a quilted look. 6. Sew the smaller red heart on top of the 0 in 2023. 7. Sew on the nose, eye, and white center of the ear. For the eye, sew on the white outer shape, then the black circle on top. If you choose, you can use the black thread to stitch a black line around the edge of the white shape to outline the eye. 8. Sew on the flowers. For each flower, position the white petals as shown, then center the round piece on top. You'll be sewing around the edge of the center piece to tack down the flower, leaving the white petals loose. Add the twine. Insert the dowel in the sleeve, then tie the twine to each end. Hang on the wall, and you're done! Happy Year of the Rabbit!